you want to think of your restaurant like a brand and not like a building, not like a brick and mortar, right? When you think of your restaurant as a brand, then you're able to package things really nicely. Then you're able to sell this ecosystem of, hey, you came into the restaurant, you love the food. These are the other things that we can extend to you: cookbooks, sauces, spices, aprons, right? You name it. So there, and all of that falls on the branding. Because if you have a logo for your restaurant, if you have a name that's amazing that you can put together, then that's what you're slapping onto every single thing that you sell, right? So really, really important to think of your restaurant as a brand and not as a building or a brick and mortar, right? The other thing I wanted to touch on was the difference between active income and leveraged income, right? Which is really important. Active income obviously is when people are coming in every single day. You're paying your you have your subscription and things like that. And then with leverage income is based off of what you already created in your restaurant that you can then leverage to make even more money, right? So that's where the cookbooks and the spices come into play, the things that you can sell off of the fact that you have an establishment and people are coming in to eat and they love the food. These are the things you can then leverage to make even more money. All right. The other thing I wanted to touch on was why it's so important to go digitally, even as a restaurant, right? Think about it. You have seasonality, you have slow nights, right? You have slow periods in your restaurant where, it's the slow season. What are you supposed to do when that slow season extend into 5-6 months, right? You have to be able to still generate and bring in money. So being able to have an online presence, it allows you to reach people that are not even in your state, not even in your country, right? Once you can create that following and you can extend that digitally, then you're in a place to win regardless of what's happening in your brick and mortar, right? Really important. So creating that online revenue puts you in a place to win consistently. It puts you in a place that allows you to be comfortable. Like literally when you're sleeping, you're making money, right? When you get up in the morning and you're heading to work, you've already made money, right? That's the cool thing about having digital products. That's the cool thing about having an online presence, is that you are able to make money without the restaurant even being open, right? And you need to have a website that's e-commerce ready so you can sell things online, right? You can't just have a website that just says, oh, make a reservation here, this is where we're located, about us, and nothing else. Like, your website needs to be e-commerce ready so you're able to sell 24/7. Even when the restaurant is closed, even when you're sleeping, even when you're on vacation, you should be able to make money. All right.